is the second flag off of our 23 local government after Onelga. What I'm seeing here today is a show of solidarity. I want to praise and thank the good people of Ikwerre Local Government for coming out in their numbers to welcome the campaign council, the consolation team. Thank you and God bless you. Secondly, I want to say that we are here today to market our candidates that we have carefully chosen to represent Ikwerre Local Government Area. These people are people that are proven to represent this local government and the Senatorial District and River State. Starting from Inyeche, Prince. He's a grassroots mobilizer, you all know. He's one man that will bring dividend of democracy to Ikwerre Local Government. You know about Emerengwa BS. He's a man that is tested and trusted. Oh well, yes sir. He's going to be the candidate that will represent us in the Senatorial District. And here come the divine, ordained, incoming Governor of River State. Siminilaye Fubara. Other local government to win, they said they are simplified. I don't know if Ikwerre Local Government are simplified and ingosified. If you are really ingosified, simplified, we can resign. Please give me a music. Let me see how you are going to react. Our government is very simple. If anybody can challenge what our governor have done from the inception of this administration to today, among the whole state in this country, let him come out. The man has shown exemplary leadership. As such, we have nothing to do but to consolidate on what he has achieved. That is why our campaign slogan is consolidation of the new rivers vision. If you have counted numerous of projects that have been done by our administration, that is to say that as we are going, as the new man is coming, as Fubara is coming, more projects will be scattered all the news and trainings of Ikwerre Local Government. Thank you all and God bless all of you.
Your Excellencies, this is a very special day indeed. And we have solidarity speeches coming in. And these are notable personalities from this area and other part of the state. Permit me to welcome Chief Sir Mike Elechi for a solidarity speech.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, Eze Yesom Wike, the incoming Governor of River State, Siminilaye Fubara, and your Deputy, Professor Ngozi Odo, I want to rest on existing protocol. Your Excellency, we of Ikwerre Local Government want to sincerely thank you for what you have done for us in the past 8 years. Your Excellency, we cannot recount. You came in here in 2015 with a request. Please vote me in. I will do this and that for you. Your Excellency, You have done more than you said you would do for us. We are happy. We thank you. Your Excellency will thank you. You have come again today to say, vote Siminilaye Fubara to consolidate on what you have done. Your Excellency, it's a done deal. With what you are seeing here today, it is rest assured that we are going to do much more than that. I know that this crowd is not up to what you saw in 2015. Therefore, we are going to triple what we did for you for your incoming candidate. We assure you that no, if we could vote when the terrain was so difficult, when there was nothing done, when you were existing on promise, is it now that you have shown us that you are a brother, you are a father, you are a friend, and you are everything for us? Your Excellency, we assure you that we will not disappoint you. No vote. In fact, from what you have seen here, you can know that there is no other party in Ikwerre Local Government. Time are gone when we had the ragtag army of other parties. None again exist in our local government. We assure you the result will show, the end will show the result. Thank you, Your Excellency, and thank you for your team.
Your Excellency, coming up next for a solidarity speech, Professor Prince Chinedu Mom, the Rivers State Commissioner for Education, and we want you to go straight to the solidarity message. The protocol has been established already.
Your Excellency, the leader of the party in the state, permit me to adopt the already established protocols for want of time. Your Excellency, you can see the crowd here, the Mama crowd here you have seen today. It's not any rented crowd. These are registered people in Ikwerre Local Government Area. They have come here today not out of anybody's impulse, but because of their conviction based on what you have done in this state. They have come here today, left their businesses, so they shut down their shops and workplaces to be here today to give you honor. Your Excellency, what can describe this crowd as a tsunami in the Ikwerre Local Government Area? This is not just what you have here on election day, Your Excellency. I assure you that the crowd you see here will be multiplied, because each person will come with additional 5 persons, and that day to be PDP all the way. Your Excellency, just go home and relax. Our candidates, go home and relax. All I will tell our people today, look for your PVCs, get them ready. When that day comes, come out and show your support. Thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellency, the gender is well recognized here, and we have the representative and the voice of the women. Let's welcome for our solidarity speech, Mrs. Ohochukwu Obiandu.
Your Excellency, standing on the existing protocols, I want to say something on behalf of the women. I remember it was on this ground in 2015. You told us that this time women are not playing on the gallery, that women are on the forefront, and you fulfilled your promise. Thank God for all that you have done for the women. Thank you. Your woman is your deputy. And again, you have also given us a women deputy. I want to assure you on behalf of the women that our vote is intact. Nothing is going out. We will give our support. It is total. It is total. Thank you, Your Excellency. The women said I should tell you thank you. The women of Ikwerre are grateful with you. Thank you, Your Excellency. God bless you. Praise the Lord.
No network.
Praise the Lord. Okay, we have a song.
No SIM.
No network.
No SIM.
No network.
Melembe.
It is coming.
Melembe. SIM is here.
Coming. It's PDP all the way.
Yes.
Thank you.
Aha, egurola, ya egurole. Barrister Prince Will DK.
PDP.
Power to the
People.
PDP.
His Excellency, my own beloved Dikoku, the conscience of the nation, the champion of our time, the political field marshal of Nigeria, Governor Wike, we welcome you to Kelga. Before I commence, I want to tell you that if my people said, I should tell you that they are not ingrates. By epiphany of grace, God used you to make Ikwerre Local governor, which of course he confessed. By the same epiphany of grace, you restored Celestine Meha to be former governor. Instead of these people to appreciate you, they turned against you. If my people said, I should tell you that they are not ingrates, that they will give you 100% of votes. His Excellency, when my brother and former boss, Ikwerre Local was fighting Goodluck Jonathan in 2014, he redefined the concept of brotherhood. He said, who is your brother? Is it Goodluck Jonathan, who could not do anything for the people of Niger Delta? Or President Buhari, that would come and do something for the people of Niger Delta? But you know what Kama does? Under Jonathan, under Buhari, Amechi could not attract anything to River State, not to talk of Ubima. Dikagu, I was special assistant to Amechi on student affairs. I'm a philosopher. I'm a lawyer. I talk with facts, verifiable facts. Community secondary school, Ubima. The then principal did a photograph, and then we forwarded it. I forwarded it to Amechi. Amechi read it and cancelled it. I sent it back again. The dilapidated secondary school. Amechi again cancelled it and brought it back to me. Then here comes somebody who is not our brother and rebuilt that school to the extent that it can stand as a polytechnic. Whoop my people, who is your brother? Is it Amechi or Wike? In all the worlds, in the Ikwerre Local Government, Dikoku has established project, something that Rotimi Amechi could not do for us. Between Amechi and Rotimi Amechi, who is our brother? Celestine Meha was governor for 6 months. He did not do anything in Ubima other than to build a personal house. Between Celestine Meha and Governor Wike, who is our brother? Today may not be a day of long speeches because I am known as a man of long speeches. His Excellency, let me tell you, I sat outside there. A lady came with a child and said, oh, she regretted coming here. That she never knew that the crowd could have been this way. That she never knew that if she had known, she could not have come. Let there not be stampedo. His Excellency, I call him the wonder boy of Kelga, and his team have done excellently well. We are only coming to compliment his effort. I want to tell you, I will not talk like my brother, Chief Ikwerre Local, who said, Mr. President, oh, give me a hand. Agu, go and sleep. And he did not deliver. Mr. Dikoku, I want to tell you, go and sleep. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Agu. We will deliver 100%. Yeah. America.
Ikwerre Local Government, PDP! Power to the people! Power to SYMFONI! Thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, River State is talented. River State is blessed. Right now, we have one of our exports, one of the finest Afrobeat singers in Nigeria. He is from River State, he is from Bonny, he is from Opobo. Welcome, Dan Dizzy.
Thank you so very much. Please, they say all works without play make Jack a dull boy. Permit me to bring somebody that is going to crack our ribs now. Join me as I make wake up one of our international artists, Arize Baba. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
The 5 minutes, I will just use it to do what others have been doing. Ikwerre go! No, it's like Ikwerre people are not here. Ikwerre go! Anzipa! Ikwerre go! Elariama! As far as I'm concerned, everybody will come here. They tell governor, go and sleep, we'll deliver 100%. Go and sleep, we'll deliver 100%. Go and sleep, we'll deliver 100%. Your Excellency, please go and sleep, me I will deliver 100%. There's no need. As far as entertainers are concerned, I will deliver 100. You know, I have just 5 minutes, but one thing I want to let you know is campaign sweet when you know say no na go win. No be so. Campaign sweet when you know say no na go. I know they go campaign before, but as I come here, I dey dance since because I know say we don't win. This one a victory party, no be campaign. So if you believe say a victory party be this, make some noise. You know, say, whether you like them or not, for us to get this victory, now PVC, not be so, and all of us don't get them, not be so. According to governor, I don't know why they're in a hurry. Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? Because if we didn't there, we will get a, not be so. Because look now, we get everything. Because we are always sharing it. So whether you like it or not, we have it. Not be so. So we are not in a hurry because we don't say we don't win. So ladies and gentlemen, my 5 minutes is almost over. But please don't play me one music. I don't want dance victory dance. Then we go use the victory dance, go house. Not be so. Holy, play something. Ma take come up for stage.
Fubara.
Oh, now go follow me dance.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency. With your leave, may I please invite Chief Olwell Oyeso, our senatorial candidate, Right Honorable P.S. Emerengwa, our House of Reps candidate, Honorable Prince Lemchiyeche, our House of Assembly candidate. Please make your way to the podium. Thank you. Holy, why you sing?
Oh yeah, Maloso. Oh yeah, Maloso. Oh yeah, Maloso. Oh yeah, Maloso. On va poser comme oh yeah, Maloso. Yeah, Maloso. We see it today, oh yeah, Maloso. Let's go back out there, oh yeah, Maloso. You go make a run, oh yeah, Maloso. We see my baby, oh yeah. Oh,
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I therefore invite to make the official flag presentation His Excellency Ambassador Desmond Akawo, the chairman of People's Democratic Party, Rivers State, to make the official presentation. Thank you, sir.
Aha, Egurola, 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 ya Egurola, 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 ya Egurola, Egurola, Egurola. That's what I call Egurola.
Your Excellency, the leader of our time, emancipator of the downtrodden, I have one assignment today to present to Nigerians part of our squad that is coming from this senatorial district, this federal constituency, and in particular, the House of Assembly candidate from this local government area. The distinguished senator incoming, Ikwerre Onyeso, had already received his flag through my boss, Ambassador Taufik Arakpaja. And by the power you conferred on me as the leader of this party in this state, I am going to present the flag to B.S. Emerengwa and our own brother, the assembly candidate, Honorable Nyeche, who will fly the flag of Ikwerre people. Your Excellency, the leader of our party, by the power you conferred on me as the state chairman and the authority of our people, I present this flag to B.S. Emerengwa, who will fly the flag at the greenhouse for Ikwerre and Emoha Federal Constituency. Thank you, sir.
PDP! Power to the people! Brameka! Ameka! Amenyama! Ma! Amenemo!
Your Excellency, for this House of Assembly, we have a young man, Honorable Nyeche, who is going to be a striker at the Rivers State House of Assembly. He is ready for this job. He's been confirmed to be a loyal party man. By this power you conferred on me, Your Excellency, I hand over this flag for you to fly the flag of this constituency in the Rivers State House of Assembly. Your Excellency, may I invite incoming Senator Ikwerre Onyeso, the octopus, to speak to his people.
Ikwerre Anumekao, Ikwerre Anumekao, 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 PDP, PDP, power to the people, power to Ikwerre Local Government. I want to thank our leader, our father, the heartbeat of Nigerian modern politics, the lion of politics in Nigeria, the man who has redefined how politics should be played. You know, the last man who spoke, the comedian said, Enyendebea, Enyendebea. I want to very specially thank him for what he has done for everybody, for making us, myself, Boniface Emerengwa, House of Reps, and in Lemchim, River State House of Assembly, to have one of the easiest, what is going to be one of the easiest elections in the history of elections in Nigeria. The reason is that he has done everything that will make us succeed. So we want to thank Your Excellency. And his name is Nyesom Ezebunwo Wike. Some people call him POS, Power of Sports Africa. Some call him Life Bencher. Some call him Yendeba. We call him the son of a God because he's a very truthful man and he can stand his ground. The last speaker said he's a friend of Ubima people, but we want to tell you that he is a friend of Nigerians. So we thank you. We are very grateful. We thank our party, the platform that is the most solid in the country today. The platform that has made the election look so simple. The platform that has ensured that you begin to celebrate before the time. What you are seeing here today is not actually a campaign, it is a celebration of victory. So we want to thank the party, we want to thank everybody, and we promise that when we get there, you will know that you've sent people there. We will bring back results. We follow in the footsteps of our leader. And don't forget, we are the consolidation team of the New Rivers Vision, which is his own. We are going there to consolidate what he has done. And Your Excellency, the party and people of Ikwerre, people of this Nigeria district, people of Rivers State, I'm assuring you that we are going to continue what he has done. Finally, Your Excellency, we want to tell you that you'll be very proud of us. We will not disappoint you. We will not disappoint the party. We will not disappoint the people. Thank you very much and God bless.
Ikwerre people, are you here? Do you want to see the new leader? Do you want to see a new governor? Do you want to see SYMFONI Fubara? Make some noise. I, with all pleasure, invite the incoming governor, the Knight of St. Christopher, Siminilaye Fubara, and his deputy, Professor Ngozi Odu, to appear and speak to our people.
Aha, Egurola, Egurola, Egurola.
So that we hear from the candidate direct. And we are no canopy, chairman of director, we are no canopy. Thank you, Holy. We are no canopy.
Aha, Egurola, Egurola, Egurola.
Ikwerre Mecca. Ikwerre Mecca. PDP. PDP. Power to the women. PDP. Power to the youth. PDP. Power to the elders. PDP. Our leader, the governor of the state, the party chairman of our great party, the only party that is standing in our dear state, Rivers State, and his working committee, the leader and also the chairman of our Elders Council that have always provided positive advice that has helped to lead us right in the state. And other leaders of the state that are here, the chairman of this LGA, Ikwerre Local Government Council, and the leaders of Ikwerre that are here, our beautiful women, youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to maybe prolong my speech a bit because it's important. We're in an LGA that is very significant to our struggle. In 2015, when we came here to ask for your support, this state and this LGA was calling for our help. You were crying, begging us, please come and help us. We are dying. And when we came, we performed. And our performance made you said, in 2019, we are going to support you, and you gave us what they call confidence vote. Now we are here again. We don't have any problem. We know you already, when you called for us, we came and we delivered. In that case, you have confidence in us, is it not? We are here to tell you that's faith that you have in us. We want you to still have that faith in our struggle in 2023. We have not disappointed you. You didn't have school in the community of Mr. C and A. We gave you good school, is it not? One of our brothers said it. You didn't have road, internal road in Ikwerre Local Government. We gave you internal road. Is it not? Ihumba, you turned it to Azumba. But we finally made the Ihumba to be Ihumba. Have we not tried? I hope you know what I mean. And to crown it, who is a good person? I'm a good in-law. And you are aware of your in-law now? My wife is from Ishoko now. Awachuku. What else? Where our principals will stop, we will complete and continue from there. So our mission is to tell you, continue to support us for continuity and consolidation. Consolidation of the few roads that are remaining in the Ikwerre Local Government, we will do it. Your health services, we will improve on them and upgrade them. Security, you know those days that when they kidnap in LL, they enter Ubima Forest. Today, we've been able to smoke those criminals out and you have peace. Is it not? Do you want the dark days to come back? You need to support us so that that day that they are using to do those things will not come up again. So our mission and our commission in this program is to give Rivers State a better state. And what is good governance? One of your brother here said the other day that people are suffering hardship in Rivers State. When we came on board, salary was not paid for 8 months. Are you not aware? Your people, your parents are civil servants, and pensioners did not collect their pension allowance. I'm not talking about gratuity. But today the story is different. What is good governance? Good governance is providing services, giving people the assurance of hope, security. And that is what we are providing. And that is what we will continue to provide. PDP is the party to beat. And the candidates to beat in this state remains Fubara for governor, Austin Onyeso, Alwell Onyeso for Senate, DS Merengwa for House of Reps, and Onyeche for Assembly. You know what to do. Go back, ensure that your PV is in good condition. Add more to the one you have. When that day comes, you know what to do. I've already told you. We're not talking about the other one. I've mentioned the names. And those are the people you're going to support. God bless you all.
PDP! We cannot invite our leader if we do not show capacity that you are happy that all the remaining roads in Ikwerre will be done. Your health services will be improved. While the music is going on, I want to see all the ladies, all the women, all the Ikwerreans. All of you should be dancing and clapping before we invite the executive governor to speak to us. Music.